Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to discuss the critical role that Newmark, a global commercial real estate advisory firm, is playing in addressing climate change within the real estate industry. As we all know, climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and the real estate sector has a significant impact on the environment. Newmark recognizes this and has taken significant steps to combat climate change through various initiatives and strategies. Climate change is one of the most pressing global challenges of our time, with far reaching consequences for the environment, economy, and society. The real estate industry plays a large role in this context, as buildings are responsible for a substantial portion of greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. According to the United Nations Environment Program, the building and construction sector accounted for 36% of global final energy use and 39% of energy related CO2 emissions in 2018. This is largely due to the energy consumed for heating, cooling, lighting, and other building operations, as well as the embodied carbon in construction materials. As the demand for real estate continues to grow, driven by population growth and urbanization, the sector's carbon footprint is expected to increase further. Therefore, it is crucial for the real estate industry to adopt sustainable practices such as energy efficient design, renewable energy integration, and green building certifications to migrate and mitigate its environmental impact and contribute to the global fight against climate change. To understand the importance of Newmark's efforts, let's first look at the impact of the real estate industry on climate change. According to the United Nations Environment Program, buildings account for nearly 40% of greenhouse gas emissions in an updated 2019 article. The World Green Building Council reports that the real estate sector consumes around 40% of the world's energy and contributes up to 30% of its annual greenhouse gas emissions. These statistics highlight the crucial role that sustainable practices in real estate play in mitigating climate change. Newmark has made sustainability a core component of its business strategy. In its 2020 Environmental, Social, and Governance Report, or the ESG, Newmark outlined its pledge to reduce carbon emissions and achieve net zero emissions by 2050. To support this goal, Newmark has partnered with organizations like the U.S. Green Building Council and the Urban Land Institute to promote sustainable practices and drive change within the industry. One of Newmark's key initiatives is its involvement in the development and management of LEED certified buildings. LEED, or Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, is a widely recognized green building certification system. Newmark has been involved in numerous LEED certified projects. One such example is the tower at PNC Plaza in Pittsburgh. This achieved LEED Platinum certification. This 33-story, 800 square foot office tower features state of the art sustainable design elements, including a double skin facade, solar chimney, and green roofs. According to the U.S. Green Building Council, LEED certified buildings can reduce energy consumption by up to 25%, water usage by 11%, and maintenance costs by 19% in a recent statistical survey. In addition to green building initiatives, Newmark is also focused on improving energy efficiency and implementing renewable energy solutions across its managed properties. The company conducts energy audits and retrofits to identify opportunities for energy savings. Newmark's 2020 ESG report highlights that the firm has implemented energy efficiency measures in over 60% of its managed portfolio, resulting in an average energy reduction of 15%. Furthermore, Newmark has been incorporating renewable energy solutions, such as solar panels and wind power, into its properties. The company's website showcases several projects that have successfully integrated renewable energy systems, reducing the reliance on fossil fuels. Newmark also recognizes the importance of sustainable transportation in reducing carbon emissions. The company has implemented initiatives to promote eco friendly mobility options, such as electric vehicle charging stations and bike sharing programs, in many of its properties. A prime example is the Union Station redevelopment project in Washington, D.C. Newmark played a key role in this project, which transformed the historic Union Station into a modern, sustainable transportation hub, incorporating features like EV charging stations, bike storage, and pedestrian friendly design. The World Resources Institute estimates that sustainable transportation measures can reduce urban transportation emissions by up to 40% in a recent 2020 article. In conclusion, Newmark's climate change initiatives demonstrate the company's commitment to sustainability and its leadership in the real estate industry. By focusing on green building, energy efficiency, renewable energy, sustainable transportation, and employee engagement, Newmark is actively working to reduce its carbon footprint and mitigate the impact of climate change. As the real estate sector continues to play a critical role in the fight against climate change, Newmark's efforts serve as an example for others to follow. By embracing sustainable practices and innovative solutions, we can all contribute to a greener, more resilient future. Thank you for taking the time to understand and evaluate my topic at hand. Here are my references. And I have used many of these from Newmark's website as well as government websites, and statistical resources. I hope this presentation left you with a few takeaways and a better understanding of how real estate can affect climate change and vice versa. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.